Are you looking for the top 5 best Bluetooth safety glasses? In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the 5 best Bluetooth safety glasses on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. OhO Bluetooth Glasses. Open-ear Bluetooth headset. Bluetooth glasses with open-ear speaker system is healthy to protect your ears from earbuds, allows you to listen to your favorite music and stay aware of surroundings. HD microphone offers high-quality sound while on calls. Voice control smart glasses. Glasses speaker with smart assistant technology like hand-free phone calling and answering. Easily speak Siri, Cortana, and Google Now to connect to your favorite music stations, Pandora, iTunes, Spotify, and more. Easily speak for directions, weather, and traffic updates. Volume up and down button. Audio glasses is with volume up and down button, as well as forward and backward. Battery playing lead time is up to 10 hours. Ultra slim unisex design. Mobile phone thickness design, flexible material frame, and very light, like a normal glasses weight. Exclusive US style design, neat, unisex, and very comfortable to wear while relaxing and exercising. Safety glasses. Blue light blocking technology lens for computer reading, gaming. Impact resistant for eye and face protection devices. Anti-eye strain, anti-scratch, anti-smudgy. Number 2. WGP Smart Audio Glasses. Experience hands-free convenience and immersive audio with the WGP Smart Audio Glasses, designed to blend modern style with advanced functionality. These innovative glasses feature blue light blocking lenses that help reduce eye strain during long hours of screen time, making them perfect for work, travel, or casual scrolling. With built-in open-ear speakers, you can listen to music, take calls, or join meetings while staying fully aware of your surroundings, ideal for walking, commuting, or driving safely. Powered by Bluetooth connectivity, these smart glasses pair smoothly with your smartphone or laptop for quick, reliable audio streaming. The lightweight frame ensures all-day comfort, while the discreet design keeps the technology seamlessly integrated into your everyday look. Whether you're on a busy street, in the office, or on the go, WGP Smart Audio Glasses deliver clarity, convenience, and comfort in one sleek wearable. Elevate your daily routine with smart eyewear made for modern life. Number 3. OhO Bluetooth Sunglasses. Voice control smart glasses. Sunglasses speaker with smart assistant technology like hand-free phone calling and answering. Easily speak Siri, Cortana, and Google Now to connect to your favorite music stations, Pandora, iTunes, Spotify, and more. Easily speak for directions, weather, and traffic updates. Volume up and down button. Audio glasses is with volume up and down feature, as well as forward and backward. Battery playing lead time is up to 10 hours. Open ear Bluetooth speaker. Bluetooth sunglasses with open-ear speaker system allows you to listen to your favorite music and everything around you. HD microphone offers high-quality sound while on calls. Ultra slim unisex design. Mobile phone thickness design, flexible material frame, and very light like a normal sunglasses weight. Exclusive US style design, neat, unisex, and very comfortable to wear while relaxing and exercising. Safety glasses. The transitional technology lens will change lens color from light gray to dark gray outdoor under sunshine, and will change from dark gray to light gray color indoor. Impact resistant for eye and face protection devices. Anti-eye strain, anti-scratch, anti-smudgy. Number 4.5 BC Bluetooth Safety Glasses. Stay protected and connected with the 5 BC Bluetooth Safety Glasses, the perfect blend of workplace safety and smart audio technology. Designed with impact-resistant clear lenses, these glasses offer reliable eye protection for construction sites, workshops, warehouses, and any environment where safety is a priority. The integrated Bluetooth audio system lets you listen to music, take calls, and receive notifications without removing your protective eyewear, helping you stay productive and hands-free throughout the day. Equipped with built-in speakers and a noise-reducing microphone, these smart glasses ensure clear communication, even in busy environments. The open-ear design keeps you aware of your surroundings while still enjoying crisp, convenient audio. Crafted with a lightweight, ergonomic frame, they remain comfortable during long shifts, preventing fatigue or pressure points. With fast pairing, stable connectivity, and durable construction, The 5BC Bluetooth safety glasses provide a seamless combination of protection, performance, and wearable tech for modern workers. Number 5, the electronic bone conduction glasses. Open-ear bone conduction headphones differ from traditional ones, maintaining awareness of surroundings. They deliver sound directly to your inner ears through skull bone vibrations, protecting hearing. Caution: not recommended for customers with bone conduction dBHL above 40 dBHL for optimal listening experience. Photochromic and anti-blue light lenses. Tint adjust based on sunlight/UV intensity outdoors, UV 420 protection. Clear indoors. Blue light glasses block harmful blue light from screens. Enhance eye protection indoors and outdoors with these innovative lenses. Hands-free calling and podcasts. These wireless smart glasses eliminate the need to handle phones while driving or jogging. Control volume, calls, and music effortlessly with frame buttons. For optimal listening, maintain Bluetooth devices at 50% to 60% volume. Higher levels may cause sound leakage or echo during calls. 4.2 version Bluetooth with dual pairing. Access iOS/Android devices like phones and laptops. Simultaneously pair two Bluetooth devices. Enjoy fast, stable connection and a 10 wireless range. Note: sound leakage in bone conduction headphones is normal at volumes above 70%. Battery life and IP6 waterproof. 250 mAh battery fully charges in 2 hours with a 5V1A charger, not included. Offers 10 days standby, 4 hours playback, and 3 hours talk time. Tested at 50% to 60% volume. IP6 waterproof rating withstands rain or sweat, ensuring durability and easy maintenance.